Let's see if our multimodal model, Gemini, can find the similarities between images. We'll start with these two, the Bosch's Chapel and this print by Hokusai. And I'll prompt Gemini, find a connection between these two images. Let's see what Gemini says. A curved and organic composition, the building is more refined, and the second image is more fluid. Yeah, that worked. Okay, let's try another one using the moon and this golf ball on my webcam. Then I'll run the same prompt. Okay, let's see. In 1971, the Apollo 14 crew hit 2 golf balls on the lunar surface. Wow, that's pretty good. Okay, then one more just for fun. Who wore it better? The zebra. Oh, I like this. The zebra has been wearing its stripes for millions of years. Okay, there are some examples of visual understanding with Gemini. Stay tuned for more.